Tonight, before you close your eyes, I want you to remember something simple and powerful. Storms never ask for permission before they arrive. They roll in suddenly. They darken the sky. They shake the windows of your confidence and flood the quiet places in your heart. And sometimes the storm you are facing right now feels endless. Maybe it's the pressure you don't talk about. Maybe it's the disappointment that still lingers. Maybe it's the silent fear that whispers, "What if this never gets better?" But listen carefully. No storm in history has lasted forever. Even the fiercest hurricanes eventually run out of wind. Even the darkest thunderclouds eventually run out of rain. Even the longest night eventually surrenders to morning. Right now, you may not see the clearing sky, but that does not mean it isn't coming. Storms are loud. Growth is quiet. While the thunder crashes outside, something steady is forming inside you. Resilience, patience, strength you didn't know you were building. Rain feels heavy when it falls, but rain is what feeds the roots. The same storm that bends the tree is the one that strengthens it. You are not being buried. You are being planted, and seeds grow in the dark. So if tonight feels heavy, if your chest feels tight with uncertainty, let this truth rest gently beside you. This is a season, not a sentence. Seasons change. They always do. The storm may have taken your comfort. It may have shaken your plans. But it cannot take your future, because storms do not decide how your story ends. You do. And the strongest chapters are always written after the hardest rain. So breathe in slowly. Let your shoulders soften. Let your thoughts drift like clouds moving across a wide sky. You do not have to solve everything tonight. You do not have to fix the wind. You do not have to calm the thunder. Just rest. The sky knows how to clear itself. The ocean knows how to quiet itself. And your life knows how to move forward, even when you cannot see the path. This storm is shaping you, not breaking you. Tomorrow may not be perfect, but it will not be this exact storm again. And one day you will look back at this moment and realize the storm didn't last, but your strength did. Now let the rain fade into the distance. Let the clouds thin. Let the quiet return. Sleep knowing this. You are still here, you are still standing, and the morning is already on its way.